This problem is from GATE 2023. This problem is asked from the economic load dispatch and power system. And the reference the question has been asked is that the expression of fuel cost of two thermal generating units as a function of the respective power generation Pg1 and Pg2 are given as. The fuel costs are given as like 0.1 a Pg1 square plus 40 Pg1 plus 120, and the unit is rupees per hour, and the constants are also given in the side, and the constants for Pg1 is that more than 0 megawatt and below that lower than the 350 megawatt. And for the and the fuel cost for a second generating units is given as 0.2 pg2 square plus 30 pg2 plus 100 rupees per hour, and the constant for second generating units is given as more than 0 megawatt and lower than 300 megawatt, where A is constant. For the given value of A, optimal dispatch requires the total load of 290 megawatt to be shared, and the sharing is given as Pg1 is equal to 170 megawatt and Pg2 will be 115 megawatt. With the load remaining unchanged, the value of A is increased by 10% and optimal dispatch is carried out. The change in Pg1 and total cost of generation F in rupees per hour will be as follows, and the options are given below. So for this question, first we need to find the value of A, and you can, if you want to go through the basics of economic load dispatch, then you can refer this NPTEL course Power System Analysis by Professor Depriya Das, and this is from and if you want to specifically going through this optimal economic load dispatch problem, then refer this lecture 37 and after and consecutively lecture 39. So let us see the solution for this problem. So these are the things we have been given. Fuel cost of first thermal generating unit is given, and this second thermal generating also given, and these are generator limits for the for the plant. Now for optimal operation of total load, PL is 290 megawatt, and the total shared by generators G1 and G2 are given as. If we want to put in a diagram, then it can be seen as like that. Since we know that if we neglect the line losses, then optimal loading of generators will occur corresponding to the equal incremental cost point of all the generators. That is IC1 is equal to IC2 and so on is equal to ICN, where ICI is equal to DFI, is the derivative of DFI with respect to PGI. So incremental cost of first generator will be, you can find it by differentiating with the fuel cost with respect to Pg1. Then we will get this expression 0.2 a Pg1 plus 40, and the unit will be rupees per megawatt hour. And for the incremental cost for second generator will be, you can find it by differentiating the fuel cost with respect to Pg2, and this will come out as 0.4 Pg2 plus 30 rupees per megawatt hour. So we know that for optimal dispatch, neglecting the line losses, we are having IC1 is equal to IC2, and putting these values 170, PG1 is equal to 175 megawatt and PG2 is equal to 115 megawatt, we will get the value of A. So A will come out as 1.02857. Okay. Now if we need to find the total fuel cost, then just add this add these expressions F1 and F2 for this power generation. Pg1 is equal to 175 megawatt and Pg2 will be 115 megawatt. So F will become as 16,465 rupees per hour. That will be the fuel cost, total fuel cost. Now in this question it is asked that you have to compare the generating power of first generator and total fuel cost after increasing the value of A by 10%. So A1 will be 1.1 A, and this value comes out as 1.1314. So for optimal dispatch of same demand, PL is equal to 290 megawatt. We are having this expression Pg1 plus Pg is equal to 290 megawatt and IC1 is equal to IC2. Now in this problem, we are having known the A value, and in the previous case we are not having known A value, and the Pg1 and Pg2 are known, and now we need to calculate the Pg1 and Pg2, and the known value is A. So by equating these terms, we will get this second expression. And from first and second expression, we will get Pg1 is equal to 169.252 megawatt and Pg2 will be 120.75 megawatt. Therefore, we can say that Pg1 has decreased. Earlier, we are having Pg1 value is 175 megawatt. Now, by increment of A by 10%, and for economic dispatch, we are having Pg1 decreased. And if we need to find the total fuel cost, then F is equal to F1 plus F2 on the on the on the economic generation of units. So at we will calculate F1 at Pg1 is equal to 169.252 megawatt and F2 at 122.20.75 megawatt. So total fuel cost will be 116,769.73 rupees per hour. So we can say that total cost F has increased. So by the conclusion is that uh, we are having generation of first unit has decreased and the total fuel cost has increased. So accordingly, we are having the correct option is A. So A will be the correct answer. Thank you.